All right, now that we're all experts in exponents, let's talk about polynomials. But before we can talk about polynomials, let's talk about a monomial. So a monomial, think about mono, solo, one. So a monomial is one term. For instance, it could be 14, it could be 7x, it could be 2y, it could be 6, could be 10, could be 1354a. Those are all single terms, so they're all monomials. So a polynomial has many terms, multiple terms, and we have some special ones. We have a binomial, has two terms. So for example, 6 plus 4y. There are two terms, I cannot combine them, I can't simplify it. Two terms, binomial. We also have a trinomial, which is three terms. And an example of that could be 6 plus 4x plus 3y. I can't combine the x and the y because they're not like terms. So I have three terms. So those are the special types of polynomials. A polynomial could have 10 terms if it was that crazy. Let's look at the monomial 7x. Well, 7 is the coefficient of x. And hopefully you guys remember that, but it's the coefficient of x. So 7 is the coefficient when we have 7x. And if I have 7x and 3x, these are like terms because they have the same variable, just perhaps different coefficients. Sometimes they will, sometimes they won't. And when you're looking at a polynomial, you want to simplify by combining like terms. So in this example, my like terms are 3x plus 2x plus 7x, which is 12x. And so we'd have 12x plus 4 would be our simplified version. So here I have this monomial 4x cubed y z squared. It's one term because they're all multiplied. There's no addition or subtraction. That's what separates terms, multiplication. They're all together. And I might want to talk about the degree of a variable. So perhaps I want to talk about the degree of x. Well, it's the exponent of x, so here it's going to be 3. The degree of y is going to be 1, and the degree of z then is going to be 2. So if I look at the variable, the degree of variable x is 3. But sometimes I might want the degree of the monomial. So this is the degree of the variable. If I want the degree of the monomial, it's the sum of the degrees of the variables. So in our example here, it's 3 plus 1 plus 2, which equals 6. So the degree of a variable is individual variables. The degree of the monomial is the sum of those variable degrees. And we'll need that every once in a while, and I'm going to show you when we'll need that.